Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Meta Quest 3's 2025. First, open the box and remove the headset, controllers, and the USB-C charging cable. Connect the cable to the headset's charging port, usually located on the side. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. We recommend charging it for at least 30 minutes before your first use, ensuring enough power for initial setup without interruptions. This step is crucial for a smooth start. Once charged, locate the power button on the right side of the headset and press it for about 2 seconds until the Meta logo appears. Carefully place the headset over your eyes. Now, adjust the top strap to balance the weight, then tighten the side straps for a clear view and snug fit. The lenses should align with your eyes without feeling too tight, ensuring maximum comfort and visual clarity during your virtual experiences. Take your time to get it just right. Next, hold the Quest button on each controller. They will vibrate and automatically pair with your headset. Look around your physical room, and the Quest 3's will activate its advanced full-color pass-through view. Using a controller, carefully draw your Guardian boundary on the floor to define your safe play area. Make sure to avoid furniture and other obstacles within your chosen space, giving you ample room to move freely and safely. With your Guardian set, you'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network and use the virtual keyboard to input your password carefully. Once connected, the headset will prompt you to log in or create a Meta account. Follow the on-screen instructions to either enter your existing Meta credentials or quickly sign up for a new account. This links your device to your digital library and friends, opening up a world of possibilities. Congratulations, your Meta Quest 3's is now set up and ready. Head to the Meta Quest store directly from your headset's main menu. Browse through the extensive library of games, apps, and experiences. We suggest starting with a free demo or a beginner-friendly application to get acquainted with VR controls. Select your desired app, download it, and launch it to step into your first immersive virtual reality adventure. Enjoy your new reality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.